What is your name?
My name is Giovanni Saisire.
What is your job?
I teach here. I'm a lecturer at the School of Architecture and Built Environment.
How do you see the students of primary?
Oh my goodness, I am so excited. It was amazing. I was not expecting such eloquence and such confidence from young children like you, and I'm so happy to have met you today, and I'm so happy about your projects.
Subscribe
You really do
to
a good job.
DOS TV.
What do you love in this competition?
Am I allowed to say you guys? You were so amazing, especially you. I really like your confidence, and I like your creativity. I like all the projects. I really liked how innovative and smart and creative you guys are.
What didn't you love in this competition?
The timing, we had a really short time because it should have been longer, and also I think I wish we had more children, more schools, because this is a great initiative.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.